In the past year, I've helped thousands of people break into AI engineering. And in this video, I'm going over the 5 GitHub repos that I recommend to all of my students. If you master these 5 repos, you'll be well on your way to breaking into AI engineering. But if you haven't taken a look at these repos, then there's a chance that you're wasting time on surface level fluff. So listen closely and pay close attention to the final repo on this list. It's 100% free and completely different from any other resource you've ever tried. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Okay, here's the problem. Everyone talks about fine-tuning large language models, but most people don't understand how it actually works under the hood. They either overcomplicate it or they rely on magic libraries that simplify the nuts and bolts. One of my students wasted months trying to fine-tune an LLM. He was always wondering why his GPU was running out of memory. When he joined our accelerator, I pointed him to this repo that I'm about to reveal. And within a week, he had a working, memory-efficient fine-tuning pipeline. Again, this repo contains the secret sauce for making LLM fine-tuning possible on even the most modest hardware. It's the Bits and Bytes library. This repo provides something called quantization for models like GPT, Llama, and more. This means you can load in and fine-tune models without having an expensive GPU. It's even used in production by major AI teams, and the best part is that it plugs right into Hugging Face's Transformers library. If you haven't explored this repo, you're not fine-tuning efficiently, period. You can't just use LLMs. If you want to be a real AI engineer, you have to understand how they work under the hood. Most people try to read AI research papers and feel lost, or they'll watch hand-wavy YouTube tutorials. When I first started learning about transformers, I was totally overwhelmed. But then I found this repo. It felt like someone had turned on the lights. This repo is an implementation of GPT-2 that's clean, yet still powerful. It's the GPT-2 repo from OpenAI, one of the older GPT models. This shows every single line of code that you need to train a transformer from scratch. No black boxes. This repo helps you internalize the math and mechanics behind transformers. Spend a weekend re-implementing GPT-2 with this repo. It'll change the way you think about LLMs. Okay, let's say you've got a model running thanks to repo number 1 on this list. But now you want to fine-tune it without buying an expensive GPU. Most people either don't fine-tune at all, or they do it the hard way, retraining millions of parameters unnecessarily. Most people either just give up on fine-tuning, or they try to retrain the whole model, which is horribly inefficient. In fact, students of mine are using this repo to fine-tune Llama models for niche use cases on a Google Colab GPU. By the way, Google Colab is a free online application that provides a free GPU for you to use. No setup required. The repo is LoRa, which stands for Low Rank Adaptation. This repo lets you surgically fine-tune the parts of the LLM that actually matter. It's also behind almost every major cutting-edge fine-tuning project today. If you're not using LoRa, you're wasting GPUs. Plain and simple. So you've got a model, you've fine-tuned it, now what? Most beginners stop at the model itself and never actually build an application that drives value. I had a student who kept building toy models and wondered why recruiters never cared. But the moment he built an application using this repo, he started getting interviews left and right. This repo gives you everything you need to connect your models to the real world. It's LangChain. LangChain lets you put together LLMs, tools, APIs, whatever you want, and build real AI agents. This powers many production AI tools that you see today. So if you want to build AI tools, not just models, then LangChain is mandatory. Okay, now for the one I told you to stick around for. This one is different. It's 100% free, and it's not just a repo with code that you read. It's something you could use today to start leveling up in AI engineering and be on your way to your dream offer. This is a platform that I built in collaboration with my friend NeetCode. It's designed to give you hands-on AI engineering experience without the setup headaches. It's like LeetCode, but for AI and machine learning. You code right in the browser, and you can run your code for real AI engineering problems. No environment setup, no GPU required. Just solve real AI problems and build your portfolio as you go. It's already helped thousands of people skip tutorial hell and get straight to building. Now, if you want to shortcut the entire process of landing your dream offer in AI engineering, click the link in the description. We've helped thousands of people land their dream offer in AI engineering. And if you're looking for another video to watch where I break down the exact projects that you need to build, check this video out. You don't want to miss it, and I'll see you soon.